Hello Exeed College team, my name is Mohammed Azaruddin Khader and I am proud to be a student at Exeed College, Dubai. Currently, I am pursuing Doctorate in Management from UCAM University, Spain. Initially, I was curious about how online classes would work, but I must say they have been incredibly effective. I am proud to have achieved distinctions in all the modules I have completed so far. Balancing work and studies seemed challenging at first, but Exeed College made it manageable through workshops and guidance. I have learned how to allocate my time wisely and complete tasks without stress. I truly believe Exeed College is an innovative institution equipped with modern learning technologies. It's a privilege to learn from expert faculty and be supported by a responsive and caring administrative team. Exeed College has helped me build confidence and develop a problem-solving mindset. The real-world learning has empowered me to become a solution-oriented professional ready to take on challenges in the workplace. This journey wouldn't have been possible without the unwavering support of my parents and my wife. Their encouragement has been my strength. I dedicate this success to them, especially to my wife, who has stood by me and motivated me every step of the way. If you are considering higher education, I wholeheartedly recommend Exeed College. It's not just a place to study, it's a place to grow, transform and achieve your dreams. Thank you Exeed College for being a part of my journey.